Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are meeting us for the first time, please do well to subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thank you. Alright, so we are having a special equation today and it says if ks squared plus into k plus 1s plus k equal to 0 have equal roots. If these have equal roots, we are supposed to find k. So if we say solution, and the first thing we'll say will be, since the quadratic equation says that it has an equal root, to have an equal root speaks volume. It simply means the discriminant is equal to 0. Don't forget that. What is the discriminant? B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. That's the meaning of a quadratic equation having an equal root. So if we do this, if you know from the formula of the quadratic equation, and we can from the equation factor out a to be a equal to k, b equal to k plus 1, and c will be k definitely. So we want to put these values into the discriminant and see what becomes of it. So it becomes k plus 1 squared minus 4 times k equals 0. That's yes. Alright, so we go on to say k plus 1 squared. Yeah, the square is also squared minus 4k squared equal to 0. K times k is k squared. And also from here, we open it up to mean k plus 1, k plus 1. If we multiply through k times k, will be k squared, k times 1 plus k, 1 times k plus k, 1 times 1 plus 1. This will be k squared plus 2k plus 1. So we're going to put this here. And what will that become? It becomes k squared plus 2k plus 1 minus 4k squared equal to 0. Yes, very fine. Now we are having k squared and we're having minus 4k squared. If we bring this together, it will end up being minus 3k squared minus 4k squared plus 1k squared is minus 3k squared plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Now, quadratic equation is taking a very beautiful shape already. So what we do is to multiply through by minus 1 to remove this negative sign. Yeah, so this becomes, if we do that, multiply through the equation by minus 1 to be 3k squared plus, no, minus, we're multiplying through by negative sign to be minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. So at this junction, you need to be very careful how you manipulate your plus and minus. They are very essential. When you mix it up, you get a different answer entirely. So here we're going to say 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. And if we take minus 3 and plus 1 as our factors, it will do us good because minus 3 times plus 1 will be minus 3, and minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. That's fine. So it becomes 3k squared minus 3k plus k minus 1 equal to 0. So what is common? We have 3k. Bring out 3k, will be left with k minus 1 plus what is common? We have 1. Bring out 1 with k minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah, this is fine. Yes. So since we have this, we can say 3k plus 1, and the bracket is the same. We take 1 times k minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can say either 3k plus 1 is equal to 0, or k minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, 3k plus 1 equal to 0, k will become minus 1 over 3. You can find that out, minus 1 over 3. And here, k will be equal to 1. So this is our final answer. K is equal to minus 1 over 3 and 1. Thank you for staying tuned. And this is our channel. Help us grow it. Please like, subscribe, and even hit on the notification button so you'll be the first to know anytime we publish a new video. Thank you.